Now, in this exam question, there's a few more parts to it. It's got the same basic idea, but it's asking now for us explicitly to do this with just a straight edge and a compass, a pair of compasses. And it's asking us to leave in the construction lines, so you can't rub them out once you've drawn them. You get marks for those. And it's asking to construct the angle bisector of angle ACB. So ACB. Let's draw this triangle again. So ACB, something like that. And just to check that that's roughly the same, we've got A, B, and C. Okay. So construct the angle bisector for angle ACB. That's simply going to be, well, we have to work out ACB first is going to be this angle here, because we follow AC then B, and it traces this angle. So we need to get our compass out and start to draw this out. So pin it at C, swing it around, do our little lines. Hope you can see this one. And then repeat from the points we've just drawn. Like so, okay. And then we would draw the straight line through that. So from C through like that. Now let's just check the question again. It says, it doesn't say anything about being within the triangle, so that's okay. Next part, construct the perpendicular bisector of AC. The perpendicular bisector of AC must be just pinning the compass at A, which I'll do in pink. So we'll open it to over halfway, about here somewhere, and swing it around and do the arc above and below like we've done before. Great. And then we can draw the straight line through it. Great. So that's the second part done. Third part, it says, draw the locus of all the points inside the triangle ABC, which are 7 centimeters from C. Now this actually does say inside the triangle, so we've got to be a bit more careful with that one. 7 centimeters from C. So we get our ruler out, 7 centimeters. Again, because of the scale here, I'm just going to pretend that I'm measuring this to 7 centimeters just to make it sort of work. I'm going to pretend that 7 centimeters is about here. So if I were to draw inside the triangle 7 centimeters, then that would give me that green line. And then the final part, it's saying, right now, shade the region inside the triangle which is nearer to A than C. So nearer to A than C must mean that it's this side of that bisector we drew. Nearer to BC than AC, so it's going to be nearer this line than this line, so it's going to be this side of the angle bisector, and it's going to be within that circle we just drew. So let's just try to work all of that out. First part, nearer to A than C. So nearer to A than C is, let's do that in pen, so it's going to be nearer to A than C, so it's got to be this side of that pink line, and also it's got to be within that green circle, and it was closer to BC than AC, so it was actually here, all of this region. Now I've done that very badly. You should just, well, I'll do that again in the way that really you should do that in the exam, which is just to do diagonal lines. It doesn't have to be, doesn't have to be done with a ruler or anything, but just indicate the region like that.